Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Techno Terrestrian. In this video we are going to show you that how can you use your mobile as a perfect scanner. So we all used to have many documents, right? We'll write some stories, take some pictures with our friends and more. So we always want that in a hard copy matter and also in a soft copy matter. Hard copy in the sense we'll have in the paper format, and soft copy we know that very well. So while having it as a soft copy, what we do is just take our mobile, open the camera app and just click a picture of the document. So sometimes the document's letters will not be much clear and the background of the document will somewhat be irritating. So we have brought you this idea. So why wasting time? Let's get to our mobile and get started. For this technique we are going to use an app called Adobe Scan. So let's open the app. First of all, you have to log in the app. I have already logged in, so it will get access to my camera. So it's loading on. Yeah, you can see that it has access to my camera and it's looking for the document. It's scanning up. You can see that there is still the background over there. So after some editing on its own, it will remove the background and it will show only the document. Now you can see that it has scanned only my document. Now also guys, you can save this as a PDF and it will get uploaded to your Adobe cloud if you have an internet connection directly. Okay, you can see that it's uploading to my document cloud. And over here you can see that I previously did some scannings for testing. So it works pretty good and it's perfect for suggestion. And that's all. Now you can go share this, and guys, that's it about the Adobe Scan. So with this technique you can use your phone as a perfect scanner. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video and this video was useful to you, give this video a thumbs up, share this video to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe Techno Terrestrian to get more new awesome tech and gaming updates. And also guys, if you have some ideas, suggestions, acquisitions or any thoughts, just mention that in the comment section below. We will surely check that out. And I'll see you soon in the next one.
That I'm at an all-time